Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a haul slash unboxing. So, and this is from Big Lots. First thing is this purple pop tube. Ow! I finished myself. And then these furry slimes that came in a pack. It's from like the Amazing Slime company. I don't know. Gotta stretch it. It's not that good, honestly. And all the other two slimes are just gonna be like the orange one, so. And then we have this Mr. Lock. Sorry guys, I'm just tearing it. I cannot wait. I really can't. Okay. So we have a fidget spinner. This little plushie. Oh, we got this cotton candy like slime. Whoa! I got this fidget. I didn't think there was actually going to be any fidgets in here. Look, I got this mesh ball. Oh my god, I got 2 mesh balls. 2 mesh balls, guys. And then a squishy poop. And then this little, oh my god, guys, I'm in love with these. And what is that? What is that I say? A bracelet. Okay, guys, I'm going to try everything out. Wait, Mama. I got 2 fidgets.
Wow, that's awesome. Did you get any topics or no?
No.
Oh,
They didn't give me coffee.
just please be careful with those.
I am. I know what this is. I don't know how to open these. Could I have some scissors? Whoa, guys, this is so cool. Scissors. So we're gonna open this glittery one first. Don't cut it, don't cut it. Okay, let's test it. Whoa, I love that. That is so cool. Oh. Whoa. One mesh ball. Let's put that over here. Now we gotta cut open other mesh balls. This looks so cool. Whoa, guys. Okay, honestly, I'm loving this. I am loving this so far, guys. There's this cloud dough, I think. I don't know. Don't know what it is. This is cloud slime, guys. This is the softest thing I've ever felt, guys. Like, wait, let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 7. Oh, 8. Yes, 8 things. And I am just like in love with this right now. Oh, I wish it came with like coloring. But I can always like coloring later. Cotton candy. Oh wait, this is pink. It is pink, guys. I just couldn't see it. Oh, guys. I'm gonna give you a close up, guys. That's too close. Oh my god. Someone save me from eating this. It smells so good. And it has its own bag, which, so I don't have to get in a container. I might still get a container, guys. It's so hard to put in the bag, so the one bad thing about this is I can't get it in the bag, yeah. God, That is actually really good, guys. Let me just make sure I'm closing it all the way. There we go. Next one is I'm going to be opening this mystery squishy. Let's see which one we get. Oh, I see pink. Whoa! We got a pink unicorn squishy, and it has such a nice squish. Whoa! These are so cool, guys. Like, honestly, I'm loving what I'm getting. And of course, oh my god. Got one of these, which I saw at the store, and I really wanted it, but I was getting this, so this is the best day of my life. I love this. Look at it. Oh my god, I love that. And then we have the fidget spinner, of course. Classic fidget. But I am in love with these colors. Like, what is it? Whoa, this looks so cool, guys. Whoa, and the spins are so nice, and I just love the printing. Look at that printing. So good. There we go. And then we got these fuzzy tails. Her name's Abra. Born 7/4, okay. Look how cute she is. And then, of course, the bracelet. Now here's the bracelet. Okay, come on. It looks like it's homemade, though. Like, did somebody actually... It's matching my outfit, though. How did it know what I was wearing? Oh my god. My favorite thing is probably this glitter one. Slime ball. I'm just gonna go throw this trash away and then I will be back. Mama, like, I love it. What? $35.99? What? It wasn't $35.99. How much was that, Mr. Box? No, it wasn't. It was $12 I saw. Okay, guys, I'm back. My mom said that I owed her $35.99. But I'm like, that pack was $12, not $35.99. Oh my god, I am in love with this. But I'm in love with this even more. I love that. But probably my favorite thing that I got today. I got like only fidgets today. Okay, guys, and like all of this is it. So, adios and have fun.